Last time you saw us, we were making the most of finally having some gorgeous blue warm water. We also had an amazing time exploring Bennegill Caves. Due to a bit of a time constraint to do with insurance and the 90-day Schengen visa, we're moving at quite a rapid pace towards southern Spain. And in this video we move from the somewhat stressful anchorage in Albufeira, making our way down towards the Tavira River. At least that was the plan. Morning everyone, so we've just left Albufeira. So we're actually heading to Tavira River today, and classic Brun and Jade, we're only there for one night. But yeah, we're just going to anchor there. It's about 8 hours away, and then the day after tomorrow we'll be checking back into Spain, which is crazy. But we've really enjoyed this journey. I'm not sure if it's going to seem that way to you. I don't know how these videos are going to look. I don't know if you're going to think we've rushed it and that we haven't had time to enjoy it, but we've had so much fun and we've done the things that we enjoy at the end of the day, so we've loved it basically.
We travelled down the Atlantic coast of Europe, like that's insane. Obviously we want the warm seas and the clear water, but it's about having an adventure. It's just been great, like enjoying the route all the way down, to be honest.
Yeah, like we were absolutely buzzing yesterday when we were on our way to Bennegill Caves, and we just saw loads of fish in the sea, like loads of mullet just swimming past, and we were like, oh, turn the engine off, let's stop.
We saw one jellyfish and we turned the boat around. I mean, it was a big jellyfish. It was a big jellyfish. It was a barrel jellyfish, and that's worth seeing for us.
Yeah, like we were like, let's turn around, let's look at it a little bit. We're having the time of our lives, so I wouldn't change a thing.
No.
Also, just to add on, we actually just really like being out sailing.
Love being on the boat.
We love being on the boat. We don't crave land, we're actually really loving it. The best thing has happened. We are sailing!
So it just so happens that the wind has picked up enough that we can sail.
Here we are. So there was just a boat that came really close to us.
Like turned at us and got us a little bit panicked there.
The boat name was Sultan, and we're not sure. I don't know if Bryn is just wishful thinking here, but he thinks that the guy shouted, "We watch your videos!"
I'm not sure, that's what it sounded like. It's a Spanish flagged vessel. It said something in English and it sounded like that.
So if you're watching this, your boat name's Sultan, and you just shouted, "We love your videos," let us know.
Or just let us know what you said if you are watching this.
Fishing part ahead, Bryn. I think we need to adjust course.
Yep.
Okay, see you guys later. We've had a bit of a change of plan.
As always.
The Tavira River that we were going to anchor at is over there. And we're actually just going to carry on. It's just really lovely conditions. It's just really, really nice, and we're just enjoying ourselves, and the wind's picked up quite a bit, but it's still quite comfortable. We are going to Ayamonte Marina. We're going to be checking in now in Spain. That's our next stop. So yeah, that's it. That's what we're up to.
That's the plans. So we are checked in back into Spain, and this place looks really cool so far. Like,
it really feels like holiday.
I can't really show you too much because, well, there's not much to see at the minute, but it does look really cool as we were coming in.
We'll show you guys around anyway when we've had a look round.
Yeah.
But it's like 9 o'clock and we haven't eaten. We'll go to a cash point.
Gotta go to a cash point, have a shower, have food.
So yeah.
Oh, lots to do.
We'll catch you guys up in a bit.
Yes, we will.
I've been chasing all the things I never had before, all the way down by the river. I found a place where I can drown the old you. And when you look on the horizon, what you see is what you get. A sparkling of diamond and the southern sunset. I didn't know what I was doing wrong, all the things I going on. I didn't know it could be that strong, just let it go.
This is really bizarre. Like, I don't know if this is intentional or not, but this is like an ex-zoo. There's even the little display things where they would have had like information about the animals. This is like the second one we've seen, isn't it?
Yeah. So a hobby of ours is obviously finding the good cafes with good Wi-Fi so we can upload videos.
This is insanely fast internet where we are.
Yeah, we come in and we do speed tests and we just have a coffee and then find the best internet. This one's got really fast. The fastest
yes.
we've seen. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video.
Having a walk around the town was absolutely lovely. It's such a nice little town, like with
it's really quiet.
Quiet, lots of coffee shops and restaurants and like just little cool stores. And also another big plus of this marina is literally just over the road there is a supermarket. So we've just been shopping, we've topped up on just the essentials, you know, and we just got back now. We've just settled the bill at the marina and it's actually really reasonable here. It's only 20 euros a night. Jay's just cooking dinner, so we're probably gonna have some food and then yeah, probably just start putting the food away and stuff, you know, usual stuff that people do. Cool, catch you in a bit.
I didn't know it could be that
Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Join us next time as we go under our first bridge and we enter the Guadiana Glue, the river that separates Spain and Portugal.
Didn't know it could be that strong, just let